this video of Operation Airless, we bought a Chevy Colorado off of Facebook Marketplace for a staggering $1,500. No better way to find a test truck than just to kind of get an old cheap beater and put it through its paces. We wanted to put our airless tires onto the Chevy Colorado because there's tons of trucks of this size class out there in the world working in different off-road applications, whether it be a Chevy Colorado frame truck, whether it be a Toyota Land Cruiser, something like that. Quarter-ton trucks are all over the place in off-road work. Basically what we wanted to do today is throw our tires on, put it through its paces, doing a brake test, go at different speeds, slam on the brakes and see what happens. We wanted to see if the tires are gonna fall apart, if they're gonna get damaged, how fast we're gonna stop, can the truck stop them, braking power, all that kind of stuff. Stay tuned in this video, that's what we have coming for you. I'm thinking we do a brake test. We set a consistent speed, whether that's like 30 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour. So like basically I'll start the brakes here.
Okay.
At that post, and then we'll kind of measure. So I think we need a camera set up. Walking through the ditch, it's gonna be snowy. I think we need a camera like ahead and to the right, maybe like 20 feet.
The team will brake test the airless tires with the Chevy Colorado on a remote stretch of gravel road under extreme conditions. The Colorado will accelerate and maintain speed of 30 miles per hour until it reaches the brake point marked by a wooden fence post. At the fence post, full braking is applied. Stopping distance is measured in 3-foot paces from the rear tires to the brake point. The test will then be repeated at progressively higher speeds.
Okay, let's go to 30 mile an hour. 30 and how'd I do? That was 30 mile an hour.
Pretty good.
We're basically just trying to do a brake test, make sure that the tires are gonna hold up on compacted gravel if you just slam the brakes, right? So that was 30 mile an hour, and that fence post is kind of my guide. So fence post is here, so I was maybe like a few feet early, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 paces, 30 mile an hour. Let's crank it up to 40 mile an hour and slam the brakes on and see how it goes. He's good. Okay, going for 40 mile an hour. 40, right? 37. 40? 40. We stopped. All right, let's go see how far that was. No tire issues or damage. That one looks good. Okay, let's go see how far we went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 29 paces on that one. What happens when you have a successful test? You've got to push it farther, right? Okay, we're gonna do 50. Okay, we're going for 50. Hang on to your shit.
45, 40, 45, and 47, 48. I got really close.
That was fun. What did I top out at? That's a long way. Nice. Well, that's damn close. And like the fronts are nice and compressed. Cool. 2, 3, 4. Well, it's 52 paces. So we did what? 15 paces at 30, and then it was what, 28, 29 at 40? And then, what did I just say, this 52? I mean, it looks far, but 50 mile an hour. Do we dare 60?
You didn't even really get to 50.
So that was what? It was 48 mile an hour?
You could try 55.
We could try going faster and see what it is. But this is kind of fun. So, and we're not ruining the tires at all. So, yeah, we've laid a little bit of, I'm surprised. And like, it actually hunkers down, like the front end hunkers down like it wants to grab, right? Definitely picked a nice breezy, cool winter day to do this kind of fun stuff though. Ready? 60 mile an hour. You nervous? No. Makes one of us.
21, 27, 32, 35, 39, 44, 49, 51, 54.
What was that?
It stopped at 55.
55?
Yeah.
That's damn close to 60.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That was 55 mile an hour. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5. So 63 at 55 mile an hour. What were we at? 50? 52? Apparently it takes longer to slow down the faster you go. And then, okay, now how fast can we go? Don't you?
Yeah, alright.
So I think this is our last run and we're just gonna send it and see what happens. I don't know how fast this is gonna be, but it's gonna be interesting. 56?
Yeah.
Shit. I was hoping for like 65, but I kind of chickened out, I think, actually. So this was 56, but I didn't quite go as far. So I must have stopped. Yeah. The last one I must have slid past just a little bit. So maybe like we should walk it one more time just to get a verified number. 13, 20, 7, 8, 9, 62. I want to go faster. I got to do it one more time. Okay. Ready? Okay, don't chicken out. Don't chicken out. I think we can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Is that 56 again?
57.
57? Okay. Okay. I don't have 60 in me, I don't think. That's because it was 57. It basically was the same. Chicken out. All right, let's move on to the next project. That was our test, and basically what we saw was at about 57, 60 mile an hour, we were stopping about 180 feet on gravel surface. Now, we kind of Googled it just to see what we should expect on a Chevy Colorado, and from what we saw, 60 mile an hour brake test on asphalt pavement was about 120 feet. It's going to be more if you're on a surface like gravel, up to like 50%, which is pretty much where we landed. Just because the gravel is a looser surface, the gravel goes underneath the tire, acts like a bearing, extends that distance. That's what we saw, similar results compared to what we would have expected anyways. I was pretty happy with the results. Had no idea what was going to happen. Are the tires going to fall apart? You know, who knows what. I chickened out a little bit, not gonna lie, mostly because these things are still prototypes. I had one of my video people in the cab with me, and I'm not really wanting to push the limits with somebody else in the vehicle. Stay tuned. We're gonna go to Bonnyville and do some other speed testing where I'm not gonna have somebody in the vehicle with me, and we're gonna set some records there. So we'll keep sharing results, and as we go, you're gonna see what we can do.